Good morning. I'm Abigail Sabio from Vita 4A, major in Home Economics. Today, we will be talking about educational technologies in terms of e-learning and learning management system. So now, let's define what is an e-learning. It refers to a learning system that we can obtain through the internet using an electronic device. We call it online learning or online education. The e-learning stands for electronic. Hence, the original term of it is electronic learning. So e-learning, it consists of teaching can be based in or out of the classrooms, the use of computers and the internet. So we have here the samples of an e-learning platforms. First is the Adobe Capcut. Allows you to create online courses from scratch without any programming knowledge. The tool covers all the 5 phases of learning management, including designing online courses, delivering them to learners, tracking performance metrics, facilitating collaboration among learners, and reporting for administrators and managers. The second one is the Google Classroom. It's suited for online tools that allows teachers to set assignments, have work submitted by students, to mark and to return graded papers. It was created as a way to eliminate paper in classes and to make digital learning possible. So now, let's define what is a learning management system. It is a software applications that enable users to create, design, and deliver their own course content through a website or a mobile app. So the sample of this is the Blackboard. It is one of the most widely used LMS tools for education. It has been around 1997 and has a range of features that helps you to create, deliver, and manage course content. So let's discuss the LMS and e-learning similarities. E-learning platform is similar to an LMS. Why? Because it also comes with the option of creating the content of yourself. Both tools are essentials used to help educators and learners in terms of organize, view, and manage the learning process. So despite of being similar in being functionality, there are key differences between LMS and e-learning. So here are some of the major points where the both of these tools are different from each others in terms of functionality and flexibility, accessibility, and cost. Now, let's discuss the LMS and e-learning flexibility and functionality differences. In the case of learning management systems, it is more comprehensive and detailed in their functionality. With LMS, you can offer support for file sharing, collaboration, data storage, messaging, and other functions. With e-learning platforms, developers can focus more on hosting online courses. The e-learning platform tools more on hosting online courses. With e-learning platforms, you get basic support for storing content, adding content, and others. So in terms of accessibility, LMS and e-learning differences. So learning management system can be hosted or on premises, but e-learning platforms are generally hosted. E-learning platforms have a better and higher degree of flexibility. In fact, they also have better flexible controls, but with LMS, you can access within the organization's network. So, now let's discuss the cost. If you want to install an LMS, you need to be clear of one thing. It comes with a price. Learning management systems indeed had a broad feature set. They also come with a wide variety of integrations, but LMS come at a high rate. In the case of the e-learning platforms, the price is comparatively lower. The e-learning platforms are less heavy and offer more flexibility and scalability than an LMS. So to conclude this topic, you can use an LMS for several things like managing learners' progress and monitoring their performance. On the other hand, e-learning platforms are much easier to use and more attractive in terms of interface. You can choose between the two based on your requirements and their features. If you are looking for professional platforms, then you should choose an LMS. And if you are looking for a tool to create and manage your content, then e-learning can be your choice. This time, I'll share to you the significance of educational technology in teaching and learning. Educational technology is the need of the hour. The world is fast moving towards digitization. The current generation is very tech savvy, and to keep up, education industry have to upgrade itself. Not only it is necessary, but it has also made education fun and interesting. Schools started using projectors and presentation decks to teach lessons. The EdTech of today is helping teachers to enhance their teaching methods beyond traditional book-based learning and engage with new ways of studying and retaining information. This technology allows us to switch from the classical model of education, which is becoming too obsolete, to the contemporary model. So what I've learned in the ICT subject? I'd say a lot because basically what is needed in learning ICT is your passion. And I had the passion for it right from my secondary school days when I developed a keen interest in computers. Learning in ICT is very nice. It deepens my knowledge about technology and how it works. It really helps me a lot, especially in my chosen career that leads to be an effective and conducive teaching and learning. So before I end this discussion, of course, I would like to thank Sir Markel Galwan, our ICT subject teacher. Thank you, sir, for bringing moonlight in our monotonous life with your encouragement and motivation. Thank you, sir, for all the learnings you shared. You really pushed me to my limits to being more creative and effective one. Please keep bringing sunshine and moonlight and a world of fun into our lives. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.